We're gonna start to analyze the news today since the morning.
Got it. Ready
Like,
when you are. Let's do
yes,
this.
please tell me about the news this morning from the market opening 9 o'clock or from the Asian market today, not today, yesterday. Yesterday, yeah, from yesterday. I
Good
missed it.
morning. As of 9 o'clock, Asian markets are showing mixed results. The Bank of Japan has raised interest rates to their highest level in years, leading to a strong factory activity has declined to this level in 10 months, according to the latest PMI. Investors are also anticipating upcoming meetings from the U.S. Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank, which could influence market trends.
So, is it bad news or good news? You go very quick. My Japanese, good news to the Japanese, or what? First, Japanese news. Tell me, if it's Japanese, make this Japanese yen strong or weak. Tell me that. Japanese National Core CPI
Yes, it's
2.7.
definitely good news for Japan, especially with the interest rate hike. A stronger yen can help control inflation and boost the country's financial position. The PMI data shows a bit of weakness, but overall, the rate hike suggests confidence in stabilizing the economy.
Okay, next one. National CPI MOM December 0.4% actual and now 0.6%. Good, yeah?
It seems like you're referring to something about national cigarette areas,
Oh,
but I'm
CPI.
not quite sure what you mean. Could you clarify, or would you like me to search for specific information about it?
Anyway, it's national CPI.
I got it. You're referring to the Consumer Price Index, CPI. The
Yeah.
CPI measures the average change over time in the prices paid by consumers for goods and services. It's a key indicator of inflation. Do you want to look at the latest CPI data or discuss its impact on the markets?
No, I can see with you now it's getting better. We have no time for details. I just want the raw. If this news event today for Japanese would affect the market later on of the day by London market, New York
Understood.
market.
Sounds like you're moving on from that topic. Let me know what you'd like to focus on next.
What happened to euro? Tell me about euro. Financial manufacturing,
You're welcome. Looks
German
like you're
man.
wrapping up with a sign off in Cantonese.
No,
See you next time.
German manufacturing and all kind of news that happening here. Anyway, we're gonna get on to the next phase. You look at the chart. I'll bring you back to the chart. All right. This is Japanese yen across the board. Have a look quickly, and you will see that Japanese yen is
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Our systems are experiencing heavy load. Please try again later.
Japanese yen down, directions down. Test one, test two, pointing way up. USJPY.
It seems like you're referring to two different scenarios regarding the Japanese market. Could you clarify what you mean by case one and case two? Are you analyzing potential market movements or
Test
looking for different outcomes based on price action?
test one, test two, S1, SU. Test, you know the test. Like set one, set two, level one, level two. Like V formation,
Ah, you're
test
talking
one,
about your test one, test two approach.
test
I
one,
understand you're likely referring to
test two.
price testing key levels or scenarios in your analysis.
Sweet.
SU might refer to something specific in your strategy. Could you clarify what that means in this context?
This context mean that the candles cannot standing alone to make things happen. It's not a pattern. It is a context to the
Got it.
situation.
So you're saying the candles by themselves aren't enough to confirm a pattern or setup. You likely rely on other factors such as key levels, momentum, or external indicators to validate the move. That makes sense in a range-bound or price testing scenario. Are you looking to see how the market reacts to a level or break?
Yes, I'm looking for doji, or I'm looking for something that's standing out. Show me that they cannot go furthermore. They will drop. But I think
Got it. You're looking for a doji or a similar candlestick pattern that signals indecision, often indicating a potential reversal or continuation. If the candles are showing no further momentum or are stalling, it could be a sign the market may drop further. Are you focusing on any particular pair or time frame for this setup?
I'm always looking for that here. But for example, they reach to the day line orange.
Sounds like you're keeping an eye on things. Let me know if you spot anything interesting or need help analyzing it.
You remember my line, that orange for what, like weekly I use magenta. No, monthly magenta line, and weekly I use aqua.
Yes, I remember. You use magenta for the monthly line, and orange is used for marking key levels or references related to DALI tasks. You typically use aqua for weekly levels and blue for the 4-hour time frame, while
Daily.
lime marks turning points on the 1-hour chart.
And what the
Is there a
day?
specific level or chart you're focusing on now?
I'm New Zealand JPY, and my orange line. What for? Which chart? Remember that orange for what? What time frame? The orange for? Do you remember?
Got it, Orny 4. You're working with the orange 4-1 chart reference. Let me know how you'd like to
No,
proceed with it,
you
or if
forget.
there's something specific you're analyzing right now.
You forget the orange I use for daily line. Now it's touching my daily line. What I'm looking for is a doji or a phantom, a candle, or
You're
a
using the
reverse.
orange line for your daily levels, and now price is touching it. If the price is approaching a daily level, you're probably looking to see if it holds or breaks. If it itches or shows signs of hesitation, like a doji or some other pattern, it could be a sign of indecision. In that case, you might wait for confirmation, such as a breakout or rejection, before deciding to enter or exit a trade. Would you want to monitor the reaction at that level?
Can you monitor for me? I will go away from here. I will go to another chart. This is Japanese yen. Yen is strong. Look at this. But they cannot do anything. No higher high. Only what I can see higher high from here is GBP JPY.
Got it. If the
GBP.
Japanese yen is strong but not making significant moves, it could be a sign of consolidation or waiting for a catalyst. If you're shifting focus to another pair, is there a particular one you're considering next?
Next one will be, I will go for USD. USD or Euro. Euro is strong also. So, but first I have to go through each time frame and each
That
currency.
makes sense. Checking each pair thoroughly will give you a better sense of direction. Since the EUR is also strong, are you looking for key levels or price action setups on the USD-EUR pairs, or will you focus on their individual movements first?
Since all of this Euro and everything, they're moving up recently 2 days in a row. Euro is also moved. That's why
It sounds like you're seeing movement across the board, which could mean you're in a dynamic market environment. Watching how everything reacts to key levels could help you spot the best opportunities. Do you have a specific pair or time frame you're focusing on to manage these moves effectively?
Euro next. check the correlation for
Welcome back. Ready to dive into the correlation check or anything else?
Yes, now we are
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
Maybe I have to speak louder. Microphone is bad. Okay, here we are on this US pair. First we go for US Swiss franc and we look through it. This is the 15 minutes. We go from top down upward very quickly.
It seems like there might be some audio issues with the microphone. Do you want to adjust or check something with the recording setup? Or should I continue helping with the content you're sharing?
We'll try if it's the microphone is turn out to be good or not. But right now we just take a little small test, okay? Just
Sounds good. Let me know if you need help adjusting anything
okay.
or if you're ready to continue.
Okay, no worry. We go.
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
We go down to 1 hour. US Swiss franc. 1 hour is downhill. Down. Aussie Swiss franc. 1 hour 15 minutes is in at the sideways to
Got it. You're looking to analyze the 1 hour chart then.
Yeah.
Shall we dive into the details of the price action or focus on the correlation between the pairs you're tracking?
Yeah. Okay. Or
Great. Let's break down the 1 hour chart and see what's happening with the pairs you're tracking, especially the JPY ones. Are there specific levels or price movements you want to focus on?
I just want to looking for the trend when they're gonna break out from the range. Every day since yesterday they are in range. They haven't break out from the range.
Got it. So you're looking for price action within the range, likely testing key levels. Are there any particular support or resistance zones you're watching on the 1 hour chart for signs of interest?
I'm looking for sign of correlation. Now we go to Aussie 1 hour. See what it gives.
If you're observing a loose correlation, that could mean the pairs are moving independently or in slightly different directions. Are you noticing any patterns in specific pairs or just checking for broader trends in how they behave together?